Hello children, greetings to you all. Hope you all are safe by God's grace. Today we are going to see 9th standard mathematics, chapter 8 statistics, part 3, session 33. In last class we saw arithmetic mean followed by exercise 8.1. Today we are going to see exercise 8.2 arithmetic mean. Under arithmetic mean we have second subtopic median. In median also we have three formulas. So median formulas, if n is odd, if n means number of given values is odd, means we have to use median is equal to n plus 1 the whole thing divided by 2th value. If n is even, we have to use n by 2th value plus n by 2 plus 1th value the whole thing divided by 2. Then if class interval sum is given, means median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus m the whole thing divided by f into c, whereas L is nothing but lower limit of the median class. Lower limit of the median class. C is nothing but width of the class interval. F is equal to frequency. M is equal to cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Now we will see the exercise 8.2 so that you will understand the concept very clearly. First question, find the median of the given values. Median of the given values are given. We are supposed to find out the median. How to find out median? First I told you we have to count the number of values. See, 47, 53, 62. Count how many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 values are given. First we have to arrange this value in ascending order. It is jumbled and given. You have to arrange it in a ascending order. So first I am going to arrange it in ascending order. 21, 41, 43, 47. 47 given as 2 times. Then 53. Then 62, 71, 83. So now again you count and see if you have 9 values or not. So 22, 4, 6, 8 and 9. So n is equal to 9 values. So 9 is an odd number. If it is an odd number, we have to use a formula. Median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th value. This n is nothing but a 9. This is an odd number. So 9 plus 1 the whole thing divided by 2th value. 9 plus 1 is what? 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is nothing but, if you cancel, you will get 5th value. What is 5th value? You have to see after arranging an ascending order, you have to check which is the 5th value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 47 is the mid value. That is nothing but you can see. In this thing, in 9 values, what is middle? 47 is the middle. So therefore median is equal to 57. Median is equal to 47. Fifth value is 47. Fifth value is 47. Therefore median is also 47. I hope you all understood this sum. Next we'll move on to the second question. Same way, second question also given in the same format. Find the median. 36, 46, 44, 86, 31. The numbers are given. Very first method is arranging in ascending order. We have to arrange it first of all. Yes. First we'll see what is 30's values are given. So 31 is there. Then 35 is there. Then 36. Then 37 is there. Then 44 2 times. Then 51 is there. Then 60. Then 86. So now count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 values. Same here count 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 values are there. That means that we have left one number. 31 we have written. 35 we have written. 36. Then 86 is 2 times is 86. So we have to write 1 times. So n is 10. After counting n is 10, right? 10 is an even number. Even number means we have to use a second formula. Median is equal to n by 2th value plus n by 2 plus 1th value, the whole thing divided by 2. N by 2, n is nothing but 10. 10 by 2th value plus 10 by 2 plus 1th value divided by 2. 10 by 2 is what? 5th value. Plus 10 by 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So this is 6th value. The whole thing divided by 2. What is 5th value? You have to check it out in ascending order. 5th value is, after arranging in ascending order, check it out what is 5th value. 5th value is 44. 6th value is again 44. So now after writing this, you have to divide it by 2. 44 plus 44 is 88. 88 by 2 is 44. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 2 fours. Therefore, median is equal to 44. After getting the answer, you can check it out in the question. After arranging in ascending order, you can check it out. The middle of the value is 44 or not. If it is a 44, our answer is correct. I hope you all understood the second question. Next, moving on to the third question. Page number 284 in textbook. Page number 284 in our textbook, in our maths textbook. The third question is median of observation. Median of observation 11, 12, 14, 18, x plus 2, x plus 4, 30, 32, 35, 41. Arranged in ascending order is 24. They have already arranged in ascending order as 24 and find the value of x. Here count and see how many values are there. There are 10 values. N is equal to 10 means even. Even means we have to use a formula of n by 2th value plus n by 2 plus 1th value divided by 2. So n by 2 means here 10 is the n value. 10 by 2 2th value plus 10 by 2 plus 1th value. The whole thing divided by 2. That means 10 by 2 is 5th value plus 10 by 2 is 5th plus 1 6th value. The whole thing divided by 2. So 5th value you have to see it in the question. Ascending order they have already arranged. See what is 5th value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is this one. 6th value is x plus 4. 5th value is x plus 2. And 6th value is x plus 4. The whole thing divided by 2. Here also we have given a value. The median of observation arranged in ascending order is 24. That means that median value is 24. Median value is 24. So if nothing is there in the denominator, we can write 1. Is equal to, you can put it in the common. So next step is 24 by 1. You can cancel, you can simplify and then you can cross multiply. So again I'll write 24 by 1 is equal to 1x plus 1x gives you 2x plus 2 plus 4 is 6 divided by 2. I'll write here. Next step. If you cross multiply, if I multiply this with 1, I'll get as it is 2x plus 6. Then 24 into 2 is 48. Then 2x is equal to 48. This plus 6 if it goes that side, minus 6. 48 minus 6 is 42. After that, where this 2 will go? It will go in the denominator. So you can cancel 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and 2 ones are 2. Therefore, here x value, they are asking us to find out the x value. X is equal to 21. That's all about this third question. Next, fourth question. I'll read out the fourth question. A researcher studying the behavior of mice has recorded the time in seconds taken by each mouse to locate its food by considering 13 different mice. 13 different mice was recorded. The time was recorded for their searching of food. 31, 33 like that they have given the values. 13 mice values. Find the median time that mice spent in searching of its food. They are asking us to give the average, that means median of how much time the mice took, median time. So as far as we know, we have to arrange in ascending order. First we have to arrange this in ascending order. Here 20s are given. So first value is 27. 2 times 27 is there. 1, 27. Then 28 2 times. So 28. Then 29. Then 31 1 times. Then 33 3 times. Then 33, after 33, 34, 35. I think we missed 32. So we can write 32, 34 and 35 one time. Then 50s, no 50s. 63 is there. I hope we have written 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. So totally 13 mice. So 13 is the odd number. Odd number means we have to use a formula, median n plus 1 by tooth value. N plus 1 by tooth value means 13. N is nothing but 13. 13 plus 1 by tooth value means 13 plus 1 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is nothing but 7th value. Cancelling 7th value. So we have to check it out in the, after assembling it in order. 7th value is, wait, we'll check it out. 2, 4, 6. 7th value is 32. 32. Therefore, median of time taken to searching of food is equal to 32 seconds. Average. Understood? Yes. Moving on to the 5th question. The following marks scored by the students in the summative assessment exam. Class 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Like we did it in the arithmetic mean, we have the sum followed sum here also. Using the median formula, calculate median. So class interval, as we have written here, number of students is nothing but frequency. Then here we are going to find out cumulative frequency. What is meant by cumulative frequency? CF is the short form. Cumulative frequency means we have to add one by one the frequencies. First frequency is 2. So I am going to put as it is. Second frequency is 7. So you have to write 2 plus 7 is what? 9. The next frequency we have to add 9 plus this frequency 15. 9 plus 15 is 24. This 24 plus this frequency 10. 34. 34 plus 11. 34 plus 11 is 45. 45 plus 5 is 50. So our summation F, N is nothing but summation F is 50. So you can add and see the same 50 will come here also. Now we need a formula. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus M by F into C. What is our first step? How to find out these values? I have told you in the formula explanation. First we have to find out this N value. N by 2. So I'll do it here. N by 2 is nothing but, N is nothing but summation F. 50 by 2. 50 by 2 is what? 25. 50 by 2 is 25. So we need to check this 25 in which frequency it comes. So 25 in which frequency, in which cumulative frequency it lies. See here the cumulative frequency. In this 2, 25 will not come. In 9, 25 will not come. In 25 also 25 will not come. In 34, 25 will come. So you have to do the overlapping within this thing. Then C, which is here corresponding, we need frequency value, right? Corresponding frequency is F value. Corresponding frequency is F value. This is lower limit and upper limit. This value is L, lower limit. So our L is 30. This is our lower limit. This is our frequency. So we got L value as 30, F value as 10. We need M value. M is nothing but preceding frequency. preceding cumulative frequency. In this cumulative frequency, preceding means before one. So we have marked here. So preceding means before frequency is nothing but m. So our m is 24. What is class interval width? Class interval width is 0 to 10, 10 difference, 10 to 20, 20 difference, 20 to 30 is 10 difference. So width is equal to 10. So now we got all the values. Median value is 30 to 40. From this only we got L value and we got frequency and everything. So now we are going to substitute in the values. I hope you all understood. Here L value is we got as 30. 30 plus n by 2 is we got as 25. N by 2 is 25 minus m value is 24 by f value is 10 into c value is 10. So we can cancel numerator 10 and denominator 10. Next step, 30 plus 25 minus 24 is 1. 30 plus 1 is 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. Therefore, median is equal to 31. We have selected this thing, right? Between 30 to 40 only we should get the answer. If we got like this, the answer is correct. 30 to 31, we got median is equal to 31. Yes, the last question. The mean of 5 positive integers. The mean of 5 positive integers are given. 5 positive integers are what? Mean is given. Here we are talking about median, but in this question mean is given. That means we have to use a mean formula. Mean of 5 integers 3, 4, 6, 9 and the median is 6. Median is given as 6. First we will see 5 integers they have given. N is equal to 5. But they have given 4 values and they are asking us to find out the 5th integer. So here mean goes like this, right? X bar equal to summation x by n. So 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus x divided by n is 5. So 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9 is what? 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 plus 3 is 22. 22 plus x divided by 5. The first step we'll see. Mean of 5 positive integer is twice their median. That means mean is equal to twice of median. Twice of median. The median is given as 6, right? Mean we got as 22 plus x divided by 5. Twice into median means 2 into 6. 22 plus x divided by 5. So 2 into 6 is what? 12, right? 12 into 5 is what? 60. So we have to do the cross multiplication. 22 plus x is 22 plus x is equal to 2 into 6 is 12. 12 into 5 is 60. So x is equal to 60 plus 22 if it goes to that side minus 22. 60 minus 22 is 38. Therefore x is equal to 38. That means 5th integer is 38. They are asking us to find out the 5th integer. I hope you all understood the 6 sums. Exercise 8.2 is completed. We'll see you in the next video session. Thank you, children.